I'd like to share a challenge which is pretty common with founder-driven businesses. You've built something real, revenues are up, clients trust you, and every new win feels deserved, earned. But here's the hard truth. What made you successful is now what's holding you back. Deep down, you probably know it already. That's because your growth depends on you. Deals closed because of your relationships, hard work, your persistence, but reinforced by your intuition, your creative pivots, your credibility in the room. You are that indispensable ingredient, and that's the bottleneck. You can't hire a clone of your judgment or download your instincts into a new rep. And what about that adrenaline rush you feel every time? It's from that reinventing the wheel. It works until you try to scale it. Or those deals that seem to have taken 6 meetings, only to be closed when you show up to explain the real reason why we should be doing business together. That's not really a sales process, it's performance art. You hire a talented salesperson and they struggle. Not because they're weak, but because the job you gave them was to be me. There is an escape. It's moving from personality-driven selling to positioning-driven marketing. This isn't about ads or gimmicks. It's about systematizing your expertise, turning what you do instinctively into a clear, unique buyer proposition, the UBP, precise offers, and a repeatable path that takes you to yes. Your secret sauce becomes a recipe anyone can follow. When your positioning is specific enough, the right buyers pre-qualify themselves. Sales calls stop being high stakes improv and become predictable conversations anyone trained on your playbook can run. Prospects show up already understanding your value. New reps ramp in weeks, not months or years, because the goals, steps, and proof points are defined. With this approach, you'll hire the right people and sales cycles will be cut in half, and you'll achieve better margins too, without needing to work more hours. Your time shifts from firefighting each deal to improving the systems that win deals. So are you ready to make that shift? Every month you wait is another month of leaving money on the table and burning yourself out. So why not join our mastermind group and build the positioning, offers, and playbooks that turn your business development from founder-led hustle into a marketing-driven growth machine? Stop being the engine, start being the arc. Come join us. Thank you.